Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
We cover a new pair today for crypto. Cello, they have a play in light blockchains similar to Mina. Allows you to mine Cello coin on your mobile phones. So extremely interesting and has a lot of potential for upside. So we saw a meteoric rise late August, and then it dumped down, fell from grace as the entire crypto market took a dump to liquidate overzealous leverage long plays. Price is now at a good discount and good for accumulation for long-term investment. For bull case, it could very well start to move up from here, and our long-term targets for this is the $30 level. For the bear case, we will not be surprised if alongside the rest of the crypto market, Cello takes further dump to the downside to retest this $4 level before it starts to move towards our upside target. So we think this level is extremely good for accumulating more Cello for the long term.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.